These are Liquitex Professional Acrylic Inks. They're ultra-fluid, vibrant, and ready for any creative experiment. Made with professional-grade lightfast pigments for color that stays true. They have a beautiful satin finish and are permanent and water-resistant once dry. They're also completely dye-free, so the brilliance you see is the brilliance you keep. Their incredibly fluid consistency makes them ideal for a range of techniques, from pouring to airbrushing and classic pen and ink work. Combine them with other mediums, like Liquitex Pouring Medium for mesmerizing cells and swirls, or Liquitex Masking Fluid to preserve specific areas of your paper before applying the ink for crisp, clean lines. You can even fine-tune the flow with Liquitex Flow Aid. Choose from a spectrum of opacities and colors, essentials, standouts, and one-of-a-kind shades. Liquitex acrylic inks, fluid and limitless.